weekly series, Physics and Fun. I'm charismatic Cole.
And I'm eccentric Elise, and today we're going to briefly discuss 4 concepts commonly found in physics, including equilibrium,
Law of conservation of momentum,
projectile motion,
and circular motion.
Let's get started!
We're going to start off with equilibrium.
Equilibrium is a condition in which all influences on an object cancel out. For example, when a person is standing on the Earth's surface, that person is in equilibrium. If we look at the forces acting upon the person, we can see that the force of gravity acting down upon the person is equal to the normal force acting up on the person.
If that isn't good enough for you, how about this?
The art of tug-of-war. Tug-of-war is a game in which 2 opposing forces pull on a rope in order to cause the other side to fall.
However, if the forces being applied to each side is equal, nothing will move or change, thus putting them in a state of equilibrium.
Moving on, the law of conservation of momentum is a principle found between the collision of 2 objects.
When these 2 objects collide, the momentum lost by the first object is in turn gained by the second object.
Our first example involves the game of pool. When the white ball is hit, it travels across the table to hit another ball. Each ball passes its momentum on as the balls collide against one another.
If that isn't good enough for you, how about this?
On the ice, hockey players pass on conserved momentum while striking the puck at each other. The force in the puck will pass on to the stick when it is received, therefore showing the law of conservation of momentum.
Next up, projectile motion is a form of motion in which an object or particle called a projectile is thrown near the Earth's surface along a curved path.
A projectile is only affected by gravity as it flies through the air.
Example number 1 is shown with the tennis ball launcher for dogs. If we ignore air resistance, we can see the ball traveling at a constant horizontal velocity while being pulled to the ground by gravity.
No, horizontal and vertical velocities are completely independent of each other. Also, in the video, you can hear Elise laughing in the background.
This shows the habit of mind finding humor. This habit of mind is used when a person finds the appropriate moment to find something happy occurring amongst the chaos of their everyday life.
That's not good enough for you. How about this?
Have you heard of The Rock? Let's take a look.
Here, we see Cole jumping. The only vertical force affecting him is gravity. The horizontal acceleration is constant.
Finally, we have circular motion. Circular motion is the movement along a circular path.
The path of the object can be both uniform and non-uniform. However, we are only going to cover uniform motion today.
The first example we have is of a ball attached to a string being swung around a point above our heads. The ball will follow a uniform circular path. When the ball is let go, it will fly along the tangent of the circle. In other words, the ball will go in a direction that is perpendicular to the release point.
If that isn't good enough for you, how about this?
Let's go to the spinny thing at Parkside.
Watch as we fall at a tangent to our circular path.
Thanks for watching. Next time we'll be talking about dinosaurs. Be sure to tune in.
Always remember to use these principles of physics when going through your everyday life.